If your Amazon Fire tablet is completely stuck on a black screen, don't panic. In this video, I'm going to walk you through proven methods that have helped countless Fire tablet users bring their devices back to life. Let's get into it. Step 1. The 40-second force restart. The very first thing you should try is the 40-second force restart, which is the most successful fix for the black screen issue. Press and hold the power button for a full 40 seconds, even if nothing happens on the screen. Do not let go early, even if the tablet vibrates or flickers. Just keep holding. After 40 seconds, release the button, wait a couple of seconds, and then press the power button again for 2 to 3 seconds to turn it on. Step 2. Deep charge the tablet. If the force restart didn't work, your tablet might be so drained that it can't even show a charging icon. Connect your tablet to a known working charger and cable, preferably the original Amazon one if you still have it. Plug it into a wall outlet, not a laptop or power bank. Leave it alone and let it charge for at least 30 minutes, though 60 minutes is even better. While charging, avoid pressing the screen or power button repeatedly. Step 3. Try battery reset. This step combines charging and a force restart in a more aggressive way, and it's known to fix tablets that seem completely dead. Plug your tablet into a reliable charger and leave it connected for at least 1 full hour. Without unplugging it, hold the power button for 40 to 60 seconds to force a shutdown. Release it, wait a few seconds, then press and hold the power button again for about 10 to 15 seconds to attempt a fresh boot. Step 4. Remove SD card and case. Believe it or not, accessories can also cause a black screen. Start by removing any heavy or tight case that might be pressing on the power or volume buttons. Then take out the SD card if one is inserted. A corrupted SD card can prevent the Fire tablet from booting properly, leading to a black or stuck screen. With the SD card removed and the case off, try the restart steps again. Step 5. Enter recovery mode. If your tablet occasionally flickers or feels like it's trying to boot but stays black, the system software might be corrupted. You can attempt to fix this by entering recovery mode. Hold down the power button and volume down button together. On some models, it may be power plus volume up, until you see the Amazon logo or a recovery menu. Once inside, select Wipe Cache Partition if available. This removes temporary system files without deleting personal data. Then choose Reboot System Now. Step 6. Factory Reset. Only use this step if nothing else worked, because it will erase all apps, settings, and locally saved files. In recovery mode, navigate using the volume buttons to Factory Reset and press the power button to confirm. After the reset completes, select Reboot System Now. This step reloads the operating system from scratch, which can fix severe software corruption that causes a permanent black screen.